evening, everyone. I am Bindya Sharma, mother of two beautiful daughters. One is 20 years and the other one is 10 years. I am 44 years, a former model to an international athlete. I'm a power lifter and a bodybuilder. Born and brought up in Delhi in a primitive Brahmin family, my father was a cricketer. He was the selector of under 19 and owned Madras Cricket Club. He was also the selector of under 19 and the godfather for former cricketer Mr. Virender Sehwag. Well, we all have heard marriages are made in heaven. But let me tell you, the reality of the marriages can be different for each couple. I was married for 15 years. I try to make it work because in our family, we have been only taught to compromise. Nobody wants to break the marriage. I tried to make it work, but unfortunately, it didn't happen, and I moved on. Leaving home abruptly in 2017 with nothing in my hand, मेरे पास 50 रुपए भी नहीं थे. I didn't even know where to go, what to do. I just left. But fortunate are those who meet like-minded people and the right people at the right time when you need them the most. I did not have support from family or friends, but yes, I had few people in my life who were there with me through thick and thin. One of the person is sitting right in the audience, Mr. Rajat Goyal, who is also my husband. Yes, I plunged into it again 6 months back. Moving forward, Rajat pushed me into a male-dominant sport, bodybuilding. Yes, it only sounds cool, but itna cool hai nahi. Once you start doing it, aap bhag jaoge. The kind of discipline you need in bodybuilding, it's next level. He believed in me that I can definitely, with my hard work, become something in fitness and create a name for myself in the industry. And I did. Bodybuilding was not easy for me for sure. I had a lot of difficulties, guys. Sacking on muscle, lifting weights, eating endless food, सुबह उठो जल्दी, रात को जल्दी सो. So disciplined, मुझे लगा कि शायद मैं किसी जेल में बंद हूँ. No social life, completely boycott. So you are so disciplined, you're not meeting anyone, you go crazy. And जो सबसे मुश्किल मेरे लिए था, वो था chicken खाना, being vegetarian. I'm a Brahmin, and I don't even eat onions. For me, eating chicken was a big task. But yes, when you have a goal, you have a path, there is no looking back. You only have to move forward. अब body बनानी है तो chicken से तो दोस्ती करनी पड़ेगी. So I made peace with chicken. बहुत problem हुई. But then obviously you have to do lot of mental work to eat chicken, especially when you have not eaten in last 36 years. 36 years में जब लोग अपनी life को settle करते हैं, I think I started from scratch, from zero. I think मेरे से ज़्यादा लोग बोलते बेवकूफ़ लड़की कोई नहीं होगी जो घर छोड़ के 36 years में निकल गई. Having 2 children was also a big responsibility. Yes, but I had to do something for myself. मैं थक गई थी. I didn't want to hear anymore that you are just a housewife. You are known by me. Now, moving forward, बॉडी बिल्डिंग जब मैंने शुरू करा तो बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि आई थिंक शी इज़ क्रेजी एट 36, मदर ऑफ 2, लिफ्टिंग वेट्स, लिफ्टिंग आयरन. आई थिंक शी वुड ब्रेक हर बैक एंड आई थिंक शी इज शेमलेस टू वेयर अ बिकिनी इन पब्लिक. वेल, दैट्स अ कॉस्ट्यूम. आई कैन नॉट हेल्प इट. आई हैव टू वेयर इट. मुझे भी बहुत डर लगा था जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम बिकिनी पहनी थी. आई रिमेंबर सेम ऐसे ही टाइप का स्टेज था और 5000 पीपल थे मेरे सामने. लेकिन मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं क्या करूं. एक तरफ मुझे लगा कि शायद मैं घर वापस चली जाऊं. मैंने झांक कर देखा ऐसे तो इतने सारे लोग फ़ोन्स के साथ थे. almost lost it. Then I really didn't know what to do. I spoke to myself. I had only 30 seconds to present myself. वो 30 seconds मेरी ज़िंदगी बना सकते थे या मेरे को डाउन कर सकते थे. So I spoke to myself that I have to make it up. इतना बड़ा step लिया है, chicken भी खाया है, वज़न भी उठाया है, तो I have to make it all the way, right? So I just went ahead. I gave my 30 seconds so well. Trust me, then I created history by becoming India's first WBFF Pro, World's Beauty, Fitness and Fashion. Imagine कि वो 30 सेकेंड अगर मैं वापस चली जाती तो शायद मैं लाइफ में हमेशा रिग्रेट करती कि मैं आगे क्यों नहीं गई. सो आई गैदर्ड द करेज टू वॉक थ्रू ऑल द वे. I went the same year in 2017. I went for my worlds. I represented India, where everybody was flabbergasted कि इंडिया से भी कोई आ सकता है. पहली बात तो लोग मानने को ही तैयार नहीं थे. आप इंडियन हो, आप इंडियन हो. So when they actually finally got to, when they saw the flag, they all were literally hooting for us, and everybody was so happy and pleased to see us. That gave me so much of confidence. When I came back, मेरे तो सारे पैसे खत्म हो गए. कहीं से बोरो करके लोन लेके मैं गई, represent किया, वापस आके सब चला गया. That's when I had to do something again for myself. Rajat again, as usual, pushed me to another thing, which is powerlifting. It is the game of power and strength. You really need to be mentally strong to lift that much weight. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि कभी मैं लिफ्ट भी कर पाऊंगी. ठीक है, 30 kg, 40 kg आप जिम में नॉर्मल उठाते हो, एक लड़की कितना वजन उठा लेगी. बट येस, आई ब्रोक ऑल द स्टीरियोटाइप and lifted my highest weight, which was 165 kgs in deadlift, and became the strong woman of 21, 22, 23 in a row in my master category. Always remember guys, the world is going to knock you down at every step. जब भी आप कुछ, we all have क्रैब मेंटालिटी. आपने कभी देखा है क्रैब को एक जार में, जब वो बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करते हैं, एक दूसरे को खींचते हैं. दैट्स द मेंटालिटी पीपल हैव. सो आपको डरना नहीं है. यू जस्ट हैव टू वॉक थ्रू. आई रिमेंबर, आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर सम एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ माइंड. हर पल मैंने अपना टेस्ट दिया है. हर पल बीइंग अ वुमन मुझे अपने आप को प्रूव करना पड़ा कि मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई लेफ्ट होम, I worked so hard on my relationship, but it didn't work. It's not my fault. I even tried to give up on my life twice. There are times you feel high and low, and there was a time when I really didn't want to live. I tried to give up twice. भगवान ने भी धक्का मार के नीचे भेज दिया. Because I think my kids needed me the most. I was really being selfish. I think giving up on your life is the easiest thing to do, but standing for yourself, for your children, for yourself is difficult. जो आपका जितना भी, if you feel that you are doing lot of hard work, और जितना भी failure हो, I feel you should just embrace it, accept it, because ये हमारे सारे experiences है life में. I remember बॉडी बिल्डिंग शुरू किया, लोगों ने मुझे shameless बोला. लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि ये पागल है, 36 में इसको प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, इंजरी हो जाएगी, शी विल बी बेड रिडन, हाउ विल शी टेक केयर ऑफ हर किड्स. बट आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्ट्रेंथ टुडे आई एम हियर एट द एज ऑफ 44. आई कैन लिफ्ट एनीवन फ्रॉम हियर. And the power, the strength, I give it to my kids. I work 14 to 15 hours without getting tired. This is only because I invested in myself. Again, when I got married to my husband, people were judging me that how can she get married to a younger guy. He's 6 years younger to me, by the way. I'm very lucky. And people were saying, okay, she has 2 grown-up children. How can a younger guy get married to an older woman? She must have bought him with money. यार काश मेरे पास पैसा होता. लोगों की सोच आप नहीं बदल सकते. हर पल they will try to knock you down. The only thing you can do is to change the way you think. The minute you change your way of thinking, everything around you starts changing. Trust me. Nothing is permanent. Life has to go on. बहुत लोगों ने टिल डेट व्हेन आई एम एट अ लेवल, जब मैं इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म में आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, शेयर कर रही हूँ, फिर भी ट्रोलर्स ट्रोल करते हैं. कोई कहता है कि यू साउंड लाइक अ मैन. I know woman with a muscle can be intimidating, but someone says आप तो आदमी लगते हो, you sound like a man, you look like a man. Someone even call me a transgender. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. At least I feel so strong and good about the fact that I can be a woman and I can do what a woman can do and I can also do what a man can do. तो मुझसे ज़्यादा powerful कौन होगा? It's how you perceive things. We all have good and evil inside all of us. It depends which one we choose to feed. Of course, I chose the good with all the positivity, with the intention of moving forward and doing something big in life. I want to set an example for my daughters today that if they get stuck any time in their life, they should look up to their mother and learn from me. I would like to say 2 lines for my kids. To my beautiful daughters, your mom is always watching over you, no matter where I am, dead or alive. I will always look after you. You are my greatest joy and my proudest achievement. I will always look after you. Remember, some women are lost in fire, some are built from them. Your mother is built from fire. Be the woman who built from fire. Life is not easy for any of us. I know everyone has issues. यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. But how you have to deal the situation is an art. I would just say that if you can take out 1 hour for your physical and mental health is the most neglected health in today's time. So you guys definitely need 1 hour for yourself so that you can think better, perform better and you can look after yourself. अगर आप सही रहेंगे तो ही आप अपनी फैमिली का ध्यान रख पाएंगे. Honestly speaking, I want to confess one thing today. Before coming here, I was definitely in 2 minds whether I should come or not. मैं excuse बना देती हूँ यार, because I've never spoken in such a big audience. Honestly, I'm very nervous. But today, I gathered the courage again and I conquered my fear and I'm here in front of you speaking, sharing my story, inspiring you all on such a great platform. And I'm really thankful to TEDx Lucknow and especially Jyoti ma'am for giving me all the motivation to come here and talk about my life. Today, I don't know whether I will inspire you or not. It's okay even if I don't. बट अगर एक भी बच्चा मेरी कही हुई बात को अपने दिमाग में रख के जाता है, माई मोटिव इज सॉल्व ओनली वन, दैट्स इट. तो हमारा सिर्फ यही काम है. आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंसेस बिकॉज मुझे पता है लाइफ आसान नहीं है. एंड रिमेंबर, लाइफ इज लाइक अ गार्डन. वी कैनॉट कंट्रोल द वेदर, बट बाई टेंडिंग द सॉइल डेली वी कैन गिव इट अ बेस्ट चांस टू थ्राइव. Never ever give up. You really don't have to be good to start. Trust me. Just start to be good यार. Try तो करो. So, I really don't know what to say. I think मैंने बहुत बोर कर लिया होगा सबको. And today I would just like to end with my story show. Thank you.